Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making suiton. Suiton is hot soup with soft dumplings, simply made from flour and water. Suiton is almost always eaten at home, not at restaurants. Our easy homemade suiton with a lot of vegetables is so warm and filling. It is a perfect soup during the cold seasons. These are the ingredients. Suiton soup varies vastly depending on region and each household. We are using chicken and some root vegetables today, but you can use any meat, seafood, tofu, and vegetables of choice. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we prepare the vegetables. Peel carrot and cut in half vertically, then thinly slice into half rounds. Peel daikon and cut into quarters and slice thinly. Scrape off the outer layer of gobo, burdock root, and slice diagonally like that. Cut white long onion into half-inch length pieces and cut the green part of the onion too. Cut the chicken thigh into small pieces. You can also use chicken breast or other types of meat like thinly sliced pork. The next step is optional, but we are going to grate nagaimo, long yam, to mix into the dumplings. Adding nagaimo will give the dumplings a little softer and chewier texture. In a medium bowl, add all-purpose flour, potato starch, grated nagaimo, and water, and whisk together well. And set aside while we are making the soup. In a medium pot, heat the dashi broth to a boil and add all of the vegetables except the green part of the onion and the chicken pieces. Cook at medium heat until vegetables get tender, about 5 minutes. Then season with soy sauce, sake, and salt. And stir. And we are going to drop spoonfuls of dumpling batter into the soup and cook covered for 5 minutes. Add green parts of the onion at the end and stir. Serve immediately. Soft and chewy dumplings soak up great umami flavor from the soup. Suiton soup is warm, comforting, and filling. Try this for a taste of winter home cooking.
美味しい。美味しいね。